Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. So are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you a housewife? Are you looking for ways that you can earn money without sacrificing time with your family? Well, today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 legit work from home jobs that you can be doing. And the good thing about these jobs is that you don't necessarily need experience or big investment to start it. Now guys, this is 2025. You do not want to end the year idle or without making money. So you need to stay tuned to this video so that you get to learn about all the stay-at-home jobs that you can do. And one more thing I want you guys to know is that number 4 on this list of jobs that you can do at home is a job that can earn you about $1,000 every month. And the good thing about it is that you can be doing basically every other thing that you are doing and be earning. So guys, you're welcome back. And one of the jobs that you can do in 2025 as a stay-at-home mom, a housewife, will be that of a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, what you get to do is that you help business owners to manage their businesses from the comfort of your phone or your laptop. What you do is that you help them to manage their emails. You go through their emails. You might even help them to send emails. You help them to schedule appointments. And sometimes you might even help them to manage their social media platforms on apps like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever platform it is that the business is running. You can go search for jobs as a virtual assistant on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr. There are a host of these, platforms outside where you can get jobs as a virtual assistant. If you do not know what to do, just go to your Google and type jobs as a virtual assistant where you can, get those kind of jobs. And it's going to bring out a list of those, platforms where you can apply as a virtual assistant. Now, to apply as a virtual assistant, you are most likely going to have the skill of organization because whoever will be employing you would want to know that you are well organized to be able to manage their business for them online because most times they're going to be handing over their social media platforms to you or whatever job description it is that they would want you to handle for them online. So they would want someone who is well organized. You should be able to defend that when you are having your interview with your prospective, employer. Now, another thing that they would want is someone who has a good communication of English. For instance, for those of us who might be, applying for jobs as virtual assistants from places like Nigeria, Ghana, or English-speaking countries, they want someone who has a good command of, written English or even spoken English, as the case might be. So, how much are you expected to earn as a virtual assistant? You are expected, to earn within $5 to $25 an hour. So, stay-at-home moms or housewives, if this particular job as a virtual assistant tickles your fancy, get up, go search for jobs on platforms where you can be employed as a virtual assistant. Do you have a way with words? Are you able to capture the attention of people by the things that you have written? If you are able to do, then number 2 probably will be one of the jobs that you might need to consider as a stay-at-home mom or a housewife. And I'm talking about being a freelance writer. So freelance writing is, one of those jobs that women, I can say women, really enjoy doing. And they enjoy doing it by becoming, bloggers, content writers, or even ghost writers. They get to write for, websites, companies, or even magazines from the comfort of their home using their phones or their laptops. So, what are the skills that you would need as a freelance writer? You would need the skill of good command of English writing. You get it? Good command of English writing. You would need to be able to write English language fluently so that whoever is reading your article understands clearly whatever it is that you have written. Now, another skill that you should have as a freelance writer is the skill of research. You need to research on whatever topic it is that you're writing on because you would need to give accurate, events of whatever it is that you're writing. A company, or a website, or a magazine, whichever one it is that you are writing for, wants you to be able to give a good account of whatever it is you have written about. And for you to be able to give good account, it means that you have done your research about the set topic, in depth. So you need a skill of good writing of English the good command of writing, and of course to be able to research about certain things that you are writing about. So just about how much are you expected to be paid, per article? You are expected to be paid between $50 to $500 as a freelance, writer per article. Do you have a passion for subjects like math, English, or maybe you have a background in education and you love to teach people? Well, number three, which is online tutoring, might just be what you probably should be doing online. So, as a stay at home mom or a housewife, and you are looking for the job that you can do to earn money in 2025, and this is your passion, then you can go on sites like Preply, Cambly, or Superproof and go and look for online tutoring jobs. These are jobs that you can do with your phone or your laptop and teach individuals from your country or even other countries particular subjects, for instance, English or maths. So, what skills do you need to become an online tutor? You need a skill in that particular subject, for instance, maths or English. You must be well vested in that subject to be able to teach it online. You would also be estimated to earn within $10 to $30 an hour. So, guys, we made it to number four. And if you remember early on, I said number four is that job that every stay at home mom or housewife can be doing from the comfort of her home and earn about $1,000 every other month. And the good thing about it is that while you are doing this job, you get the opportunity, or perhaps you have the opportunity to be earning from this job and be doing other things that you'd love to do. So, what is this number four that I am talking about? Number four is the gold mine, and I'm actually talking about selling on ST or Amazon KDP. So, what do you get to do on these platforms? What you get to do is that you sell handcrafts that can be published on ST, or you just go ahead and create simple books, journals, or even planners, or you could even write a storybook and upload it down to your Amazon KDP. And the good thing is that it is from the comfort of your home. Now, why do I love number four so much? It is a passive income. Passive income in the sense that once you have uploaded all of these to these sites, you can go about and be doing every other thing that you want to be doing. And every time somebody, comes across your designs or whatever it is that you have uploaded on any of these platforms and they like it, they buy it, you get an alert in your bank. So this is why I said that number four is one of those jobs that stay at home moms can do. The good thing about it is that everyone can be doing it. Every stay at home mom, every housewife can jump into selling on ST or Amazon KDP. So what are the skills that you basically need? What you would need is to be able to create designs on Canva. So what you are looking for will be, creativity, which I believe every one of us have it one way or the other, and you're going to be earning the money every other day, which, like I said, you can earn about $1,000 just from the comfort of your home, using your phone, using your laptop by just being creative. Number five on the list of jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home as a stay at home mom or a housewife will be that of you becoming a remote customer service officer. As you would know, most companies now employ people from all over the world remotely to become customer service, officers for their companies. And oftentimes they are looking for people who are skilled with just basic computer skills. So if you're somebody who has basic computer skills, you know your way around computer, just the basic, then this is probably one of those jobs that you can, apply for, or you can just go ahead and take a certificate course in the basic computer skills or customer care, certificate courses and apply for this job. These are jobs that are remotely, done from anywhere around the world, the comfort of your home. You have a phone, you have a computer, you can apply for this job. And let me let you know that a lot of people are doing this job. So it's not just going to be something that you think is new in town, you've never heard about it. Well, if you've never heard about it, now you are hearing about it. So you can do it from the comfort of your home if you have the basic computer skills. If you do not, well, that's not bad. You can just go and do a 3 months, or 6 months course in the basic computer skills. So you are expected to, earn within $12 to $20 an hour. And you can go search for these jobs on platforms like remote.com or remote.co. There are quite a number of these platforms that are actually looking for remote customer service officers. All you need to do once again is go on Google and type it, and it will bring out the list of these platforms for you. So number six will be that of you becoming a content creator on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or even Instagram. Now this is where you get to, turn your daily life into content creation. You can upload videos of your daily life. You can upload videos about you cooking, sewing, or whatever it is that you find, comfort or joy showing to the general public, at large. So you can do this by uploading videos every other day. Now, the tools that you will most definitely need once again to be a content creator on these platforms would be your phone and your computer. But then again, you need to be consistent for you to be able to make money from putting out content every other day. One other bonus that I can give you as a content creator on this app is that you get to build a personal brand. So when you build a personal brand, it comes with a lot of money because there are going to be companies out there that would want your brand to influence for them. But like I said, before you can become a personal brand, you have to put out videos every other day. That means that you have to be consistent on the app for people to get to know you, get to like whatever it is that you are putting out. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, you are a housewife, you really don't know what to do, you don't really fancy the jobs that I had talked about from number one to number five, and you don't have a problem with putting out, your daily life, activities on social media platforms, then this might just be what you would want to do. So get your phones and be consistent. And in no time, you will start earning money on social media like every other, content creator. And like I said, the bonus is that you just might become a household name by building a personal brand for yourself, and you would influence for companies. So guys, you're welcome to the last but not the least of stay-at-home jobs that you can do in 2025 as a housewife or a stay-at-home mom. And I am talking about affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing all about? Affiliate marketing is about you recommending products that you love and earn commission every time someone buys that product. You heard me. It's as simple as ABC. Let's assume that I have a product here that I love so much. I've used it and I can, attest to the fact that this product is good. All I need to do is come here and advertise it or recommend it to you guys to use. And anytime any one of you buy that, product through the link that I will be, giving out to you guys, I get a commission from that, product. So what happens is that me, the affiliate marketer, when I go and register with a company that has that product, I am given a link which I would show on my screen for you guys or in the description box. When I talk about that product, I send you guys to the description box for those who would want to purchase to go and click on that link. And when they click on that link and buy that product, I am giving a certain percentage of the profit that was made from the sale of that good or that service. So how do you start with this? Like I said, you just go and become an associate with, for instance, Amazon. So if you want to sell products of Amazon, you go become an Amazon associate, or you can join sites like Share Sale or Digistore 24. It's passive. It's passive. It's almost like the number four that I talked about, selling on ST and Amazon. Say for the fact that those ones you get to, sell your own product, but this one now is other people's products that you are recommending to other people. So once you have done it, you've posted the link, you go about and do basically every other thing that you'd want to do. And if somebody purchases, you get, a commission from that. And guys, these are the 7 jobs that you can be doing as a stay-at-home, you know, housewife or mother. So, guys, whatever it is that you are great at, is it online tutoring? Is it being a customer care support officer? Is it content creation? Or is it even creating designs? You know, whatever it is that you are skilled at, or whatever it is that you are good at. What I know is that amongst this seven list of jobs that I have listed here for you guys, there is something that will capture the interest of every stay at home mom or housewife that is watching this video. There is something that will capture your attention, that will drive you to get up and start earning 2025. There's still quite a number of months before the end of the year, so don't say that the year is over, you cannot do anything. We have about 6 months left. And if you start today, I tell you, before the end of the year, you will start earning money. You will get that job that is going to, give you that satisfaction and that fulfillment. But what I have to say is that start with one job, build confidence, grow fast, and you will get to where you'd want to get to. So guys, thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget that you can subscribe to this channel. It's Obinji O Talk. I talk about everything relocation to Ghana. I talk about businesses here in Ghana and lifestyle. And if you want more videos on businesses or jobs that you can do right here in Ghana, don't forget to turn on your post notification. I'll see you another day. Bye.